PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 15th of May. A soaking rain falling all across Alabama today. The severe weather, as expected, way down south. Let's go to some Skycam shots this afternoon on this very wet day. First off, we'll take a look at our Skycam in Tuscaloosa. The rain beginning to wind down there. And our Skycam in downtown Tuscaloosa with just under 3 inches. How about that for a big soaking? There's the Skycam in Jasper. Light rain is still falling there. That's the view from the King Building downtown. And way down south, the Gulf of Mexico, rain there. They've seen some strong storms today. But the weather will be improving slowly over the next 24 hours. There's our water vapor satellite imagery. Look at the big ridge pumped up over the northwest United States. Downstream, we got a trough off to the west, a little piece of that lifting out. That's the reason for the rain today. Some of that is hanging back. Here's the radar as of 12:41 today. Get my time straight here. This is 12:41 this afternoon, and just a widespread rain over most of the state. Severe storms down to the south of Montgomery, prompting tornado warnings, but nothing happening here. The air's just cool and stable. And look at that. That's the rainfall estimates. This is suggesting parts of Sumter and Greene counties getting between 4 and 5 inches of rain. Even a sliver of 5 to 6 inch amounts there showing up between Bellamy and Livingston in Sumter County. And all of that water is going to be flowing down the mighty Tombigbee. Heavy rain up into Tuscaloosa. Again, they are just under 3 inches there. For the Birmingham Metro, we are approaching 2 inches at our weather office in River Chase. So really a good rain here. There's our tornado watch. That's in effect until 3 o'clock. That includes much of South Alabama. Of course, the southwestern counties have been cleared. The areas of concern for the next hour or two would be places like Dothan and Geneva. Convective outlook, the slight risk does extend as far north as Birmingham, but quite frankly, there's really no risk of severe weather here. All of the action will be way down south. We are in rain-cooled, stable air. Tomorrow, a slight risk of severe weather for places like Jacksonville, Valdosta, Georgia, Charleston, South Carolina. We'll look at the modeling here. This is at 1 o'clock tomorrow, coming off the 12Z GFS, and you can see how that piece of the trough that is hanging back is actually drifting back away from us, back to the west over the Gulf of California. The shortwave to the north is moving on northeast, and at the surface we've got a front that should be near Clanton at midday, and this is suggesting any showers tomorrow afternoon will be really south of there. And I think for the northern half of the state, most all of the day tomorrow will be dry. We might mention a small chance of a stray shower tomorrow morning just to be sure to cover ourselves. But again, I think much of the day here will be dry. Saturday still looks beautiful, sunny and comfortable, highs in the mid to upper 70s. That is below average for May 17th. Sunday looks good. We still will not mention any chance of rain. I think that's the right call. That looks dry as a bone. Monday of next week, a little moisture shows up with that front trying to lift north, but again, I'm not convinced we need to mention any rain at this point. And then Tuesday, the latest run continues the trend of no rain Tuesday, so I think we'll take out the chance of rain Tuesday. In fact, even Wednesday of next week now looking dry as a low develops on the lee of the Rockies. Some hint of rain down over South Alabama, but nothing here. And then Thursday, got a big trough out west. And again, this run is suggesting a chunk of that is lifting out. Notice the little wave coming through here, and that looks fairly wet. So next week, it's now beginning to look like the first half of the week will be dry. Thursday will bring in the chance of showers. This is Friday, May 23rd. A cold front approaching from the north. That's suggesting maybe the most widespread rain north of here. And look at this now. This is the beginning of the Memorial Day weekend on Saturday, May 24th. A lot of interest in this day for many reasons. The SEC baseball tournament is going on, but we've got the battle between the Westerlies up north and a summer-like upper high over the Gulf. But no doubt in that kind of configuration, we are under ridging, and that's going to hold that front up north of here. And this is suggesting it will be very warm and very muggy with a better chance of organized showers and storms to the north. And on Sunday, May the 25th, the ridge kind of holds down here. And again, there might be a shower around in that muggy air, but the better dynamics are definitely up north. And at the end of the cycle on the May 31st, well, look, the confidence obviously is low out here. We've seen some runs that look just like summer. where there's a big upper air high. This run kind of pushes the westerlies farther to the south, but again, I think that upper high might be winning the battle as we slowly lapse into a summer-like pattern late this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.